Sometimes, the best photos come when you don't plan anything. When traveling, we tend to plan for too many things. What we do, where we do it, how we do it. But I think most of the time you should plan for a simple day of no planned photography. Walking around the city or the destination you picked and just be in the moment. In this video, I want to talk about the benefits of having a no-plan photo walk while showing you one of these photo walks I did in Dublin when I traveled to Ireland. Enjoy! Have you heard about that sometimes you need to be bored because boredom helps creativity? Now, I think this idea transfers really well into other topics too. If you don't think too much about what, when, how, why before heading out to photograph a certain location, you will leave room for spontaneous creativity. This way, you are not setting up expectations that are most of the time not met anyway. Also, in a scene as chaotic as the city streets, you cannot really plan for anything specific anyway, so why bother your mind with useless thoughts? Going out without a plan takes the pressure off, you are not thinking about getting the shot, and you tend to observe more, getting into the flow better, and in the end, making photography more fun. One practical thing that makes shooting like this easier is to use the correct gear. And I don't mean anything fancy or specific, so you don't need to rush out and buy new stuff. Not at all. What I mean is that you need to pick one camera and one lens to bring with you on these kind of unplanned photo walks. If you are visiting a location for the first time and you are doing an unplanned day of shooting, then I suggest using your favorite zoom lens. In my case, with Fujifilm, because that was the camera I still had when I visited Dublin, I used the 16 to 50mm kit lens. This way, I don't think about switching lenses and which lens is better for the situation, but I still have the versatility to react to things happening both close and far away from me. What I tend to do is I use my favorite focal length or focal lengths, like the 23mm or 35 full frame equivalent, and change only when I need to. If you already know the place because you shot there a few times already, then using your favorite fixed prime lens is also an option, limiting yourself even more, helping you think more creatively. Next time you go out with your camera, doesn't matter if you are in your hometown or traveling to a new and beautiful location, make time for a few hours to just walk around a specific place, let the process take you on a journey and follow the light and story of your chosen destination as it unfolds in front of you. Do this enough times and you will see a generous growth in your photography, mostly in your ability to observe the important things. When you do this, I urge you to pick just a few photos to post and tag me on Instagram, because I want to see what are the results of your unpredictable photo walks. Thanks for watching, you know the jazz. Subscribe, comment, like, and see you in the next one.